In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Elementor Pro subscription. This process is quite straightforward, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure you don't miss anything along the way. So, grab your internet-connected device, and let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Elementor official website by typing in elementor.com. Once the home page is fully loaded, locate the Login button typically found in the top right corner of the page and give it a click. This action will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your account credentials. That means inputting your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Be careful as you type to avoid any errors that might delay your progress. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll land on your Elementor dashboard. Here, you should see an option for Subscriptions or Billing. Click on that to proceed to your subscription management page. This is where you'll find a rundown of your current subscription details, including your plan type, renewal date, and payment history. Now, pay close attention as you look for the Cancel Subscription button. It's usually located near your subscription information, sometimes towards the bottom of the page. Clicking this button is a vital step in starting the cancellation process. At this point, Elementor might prompt you with a confirmation message or a short survey asking why you want to cancel. This feedback is optional, but participating can help Elementor improve their services. After confirming your cancellation decision, it's crucial to check your email for confirmation. Elementor typically sends an email to the address associated with your account, confirming the successful cancellation of your subscription. Keep an eye out for this email and be sure to retain it for your records, just in case there are any discrepancies later on. While you can continue using the Pro features until your paid period ends, remember that your subscription won't renew, and you'll lose access to Pro features after this term expires. It's also a good practice to verify any changes on your billing page, ensuring no future charges occur. And there you have it, the complete guide to canceling your Elementor Pro subscription. We hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any lingering questions or encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to Elementor's customer support for assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video beneficial, feel free to give it a thumbs up or share it with others who might need this information. Until next time.